Hello guys, welcome to Gadget Pool. Xiaomi launched Mi 6X as the successor to last year's Mi 5X in China last month. Since its launch, there was a brief that the smartphone will make its way to India as Mi A2 with Android One. While Xiaomi never officially confirmed the existence of Mi A2, a substantial proof confirming the device has now emerged. A webpage on the Eurasian Economic Commission has listed multiple Xiaomi smartphones that could be released in the European market in the near future. The list includes the Mi A2, Mi 6X, Mi Mix 2S, Mi Note 5, Redmi Note 5 Pro, and even the Black Shark gaming smartphone. The EEC webpage lists May 14, 2018 as the date of registration for these devices, while the date of publication is May 22, 2018. This listing confirms that Xiaomi will be expand the availability of Black Shark gaming smartphone beyond China. It also reveals the existence of Mi A2 and Mi Note 5 smartphones. The Mi A2 is expected to be a rebranded version of Mi 6X that retains the design and specification but ditched the MIUI 9 in favor of Android One. The Mi A1 launched last year was the first smartphone running stock Android from the company. Xiaomi Mi A2, like other smartphones from the company in the past few months, will feature an all-metal design with thin bezels surrounding the display. The Mi A2 is believed to be codenamed Jasmine Sprout and will feature a 5.99-inch LCD display with a resolution of 2160 by 1080 pixels and taller 18:9 aspect ratio. It will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 chipset coupled with Adreno 512 GPU. While the Mi A1 was offered in only one storage variant last year, the Mi A2 is expected to arrive in 3 different storage options. The base variant of Mi A2 is expected to arrive with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. It will be accompanied by 6GB of RAM variant with options for either 64 or 128GB of internal storage. On the camera front, the Mi A2 is expected to feature dual rear camera setup with a combination of 12MP primary sensor and 20MP secondary sensor. It will also feature a 20MP selfie shooter with dedicated LED flash similar to the Redmi Note 5 Pro. The Mi A2 will feature a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor and support connectivity options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and 4G LTE. It will run Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box and will be backed by a 3010 mAh battery. The smartphone might arrive in pink, red, gold, blue, and black color options. Thank you for watching our video. Give us a like and comment if you enjoyed it. Also subscribe for more info and updates, and I'll see you guys next time.